5 of apartment 3. Obviously, this is a project we're working on at the moment, but this week we're going to do something very, very different. Ted doesn't even know what we're going to do.
No, I don't. So I'm just here for the beer.
According to our subscribers, we talk too much, we explain too much, and our videos are too long. So this week, we are going to try to fit into 16 minutes a week of work. 16
minutes? That's very precise.
Without talking.
That's very precise, 16 minutes. So should we shut up and get on with it?
So we'll shut up and get on with it. And you, as subscribers, can tell us, do you prefer this format or the original format? We'll see you at the end of it.
Let's go.
The first job on my list for this week was to finish the mortaring. Now Lee had come in and put in the electrics, I could finish off all the last bits. So that's the bit by the fireplace that I didn't have any mortar to finish with last time. And also the far wall where the wall lights are going to be.
So what are you doing today, baby?
So I'm at the moment...
Cool. Planning meeting. So, Teddy Bear's come up with a fantastic idea in the bathroom, which I love. Tell us about your idea, baby.
However, we're going to put it in there. In there. This is a wall.
I love it. Well done, baby. Good idea. We'll come back.
It happens very rarely, but they're usually quite good when they do.
Oh. Yes. You got it, baby. You got this.
You got this.
Okay, so I've been summoned up to apartment 3 to try out my seat.
So as you see, there's this has all been boarded in.
Cool.
And
So the door will go there.
the door will go here.
And my shower seat is there. Cool, baby.
Yet to be tiled, but...
Oh, wow, that looks really good.
Would you like to try it out?
Yes, let me just take my throne. Oh, no, that's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
You like that?
Yeah, and then,
Is that a good height?
yeah, I don't want to put my shoes because I've got...
And I've got, you know, I know that the niche behind you
Yeah.
is obviously, you know, that's really for, you know, if you're in the shower,
Yeah.
you just got to lean over and stuff like that. But you can access it.
But yeah, this is good because this is for all you ladies out there that go to apartments that have showers and you have to sit on the floor to shave your legs. And at our age, it gets a bit difficult to get up again. So this is for us to be able to shave your legs. That one, shave your leg. It's good. Actually, it's quite nice just sitting.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could have like, well, you shouldn't, but you could let the shower keep going really hot and have a bit of a sauna.
Well, yeah. No, the only thing is obviously it's not enclosed, so it would steam over the top. But I suppose you could enclose the top.
No, it's really
You
nice.
know,
You
but-
like it, Bessie. You like it. Yeah, you want to get in the shower. Yeah, you want to get in the shower. Do you? I don't think you would.
Oh, Bess, look at you.
Yeah, you like Daddy's shower? He's a clever boy, isn't he?
He's a clever boy. You're gonna pat
on the head
me. You're gonna
next.
pat me on the head next, yeah.
Oh, well done, baby. That's good.
All right,
Yeah.
good. I'm pleased I got that done today.
So I
And
can really tape and join this tomorrow, couldn't I?
well, tomorrow is just boarding.
Yeah.
Is
So can I come behind you and tape and join?
yeah, you know, you can do this. What I'll do is I'll put this bit in first. That'll be you know, it'll be the joint will be here. The tape, the joint, yeah, will be up here. So once that's done, then you literally this whole area can be done,
Yeah.
and then we can tank this bottom,
Yeah.
and then we can get the shower tray in, which is
Cool.
here. And that's because the shower tray is gonna it's gonna be siliconed in, and I want to leave it so best to tape and join all this area. Then we can tank. Then we can put the shower tray in, the silicone in it, leave something heavy on it for a couple of days,
Yeah.
and do the rest of the room.
Cool. It's good, baby. Well done.
Yeah, I'm pleased
Yeah.
with it.
Yeah, it's
I'm pleased
good.
with it.
Like it.
Yeah.
That'd be really nice.
I need to arrange to go and pick up the tiles. Don't get my not pearly whites. Look, we have all.
We have all.
There's another all. There's lots of holes.
I'll leave that there video in just in case.
Last board.
Well, it ain't.
Well, last board on that
Well,
wall.
that one.
So we did it, baby.
So that's it. We did it. Under 16 minutes.
1 week.
Fantastic. It's good.
Now, before we summarise what we did this week, just a really big thank you to everybody, all your wonderful comments about the wedding video. And thank you so much to everybody that's made a donation into the wedding gift
Thanks for
registry.
your advice and your suggestions. It's been really, really brilliant to have all
Now,
those.
loads of people have asked us, have we got a wedding gift registry? No, we don't. We don't need anything ourselves. What we would like is you to buy a bit of time, to give us a bit of time
That's
to finish
fabulous.
this project and maybe be able to get a honeymoon at the end of the year. So if you'd like to go to the Buy Me a Coffee page, it's the Lisa and Ted's gift registry or the Buy Me a Bit of Time. Thank you so much to everyone. Anyway, here's a summary of what we did this week. So I got the mortaring finished on all the walls, which is fabulous. I'm glad we've done that.
Yeah, it looks good. All the boarding's done for the entire big wall of Rogers and the return. The bathroom is all boarded, everything in there.
I made a little niche.
I made me little niche, I made me little seat. So that's all done, everything happy there.
I've tape and jointed everywhere now, so everywhere's tape and jointed for the first go. It does need another going over.
And we've even started on the tiling.
Yes. So it's been a good week. Thank you all so much. Hope you enjoyed this one, a very quick run through. Let us know whether you like the format or you like a bit more talking and explanation. We'll see you all again next week because we have a very special friend turning up next week, Charlene.
Oh, yeah, Charlene Series 2.
Yeah, and she's on the land this
2.0.
time. Her expertise.
Whatever you want to call it, she's here and she's doing things on the land. It's brilliant. Yeah.
So we'll see you all next week. Take care, everyone. Love you all.
Like and subscribe and all
Bye.
that. See you later.
Bye.
We would like to say a big thank you to you, our subscribers, and all of our patrons for sticking with us over the last couple of years. Without you guys, we wouldn't be able to continue to do this project and to finish Chateau de Montmagny. So thank you, take care, and we'll see you all again next week. Goodbye.
I hate to see you leaving, my summer dress girl. These feelings that you give me don't get better in the world. I could tell you I don't care, but it's a lie. Can't stand to hear you say those words, baby, goodbye. Now she takes me to all these places I can't believe. Introduce me to all these faces I just don't want to leave. Hold on tight, let's go for a ride. I hate to see you leaving, my summer dress girl. These feelings that you give me don't get better in the world. I could tell you I don't care, but it's a lie. Can't stand to hear you say those words, baby, goodbye. She makes the sun shine brighter than it ever did before. I wanna hold her a little bit tighter. I just want some more, so much more. I hate to see you leaving, my summer dress girl. These feelings that you give me don't get better in the world. You listening, baby?
my dreams, someone to follow me.